Hello world, my name is Sakari Appling, and as you know, I am making the app Sue Cares. Well, it's a website right now, SueCares.com. We're looking to make it an app called Resource. And what Resource is something where people that need help can find people that love to help, and people that love to help can find people that need help. What you would do is take a picture of whatever you wanted to donate to somewhere like Salvation Army or Goodwill or just one of those random donation boxes. You would instead take a picture and upload it and donate it to someone around you completely free before it gets a price tag put on it. Some of us can't afford a discount. Some of us can only afford free, and this is for them. This app will be completely free to use, and everything uploaded will be completely free. No selling at all. Also, besides posting up hand-me-downs, we'll be posting up help-me-ups as well. That means if you have any local events you know of, any free resources that you know of, free help for A through Z issues, we have from domestic violence to child abuse to homeless assistance, anything that somebody might be struggling with, we're actually uploading help for them for free. Everything's totally free on the site and on the app. That's what we're looking to do. I'm coming to you guys because I do need help funding this. I am a normal person out here, single mother, brand new orphan, lost my parents, and I'm by myself taking care of my son. I know it does get hard. Hand-me-downs, me and my friends, that's how we live without struggling, and our kids growing out of clothes left and right. It's awesome, and it'd be awesome to build a network of people that need help and finding the help. So that's my dream, is to be able to give blankets to those that are cold, or just be able to find it with the click of a button. And I like to share this with the whole world. It will cost me $5,000 to put it on an iOS iPhone, and it will cost me $5,000 to put it available for Androids. That's for the app development, and that's to get it available to you. $5,000 more is be required for advertising at the minimum. This would be like social media advertising, and any extra monies donated would definitely go towards advertising and promoting this and getting it out to the people. I am really excited about this project. It would be a dream come true to help so many people that need it out there right now. And I would love for you guys to be a part of this. Please donate. GoFundMe.com/SUKARES. Who cares? Sue cares, and I know you cares. So get involved. All right.